In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change out your headlights on a 2012 Toyota Tundra. We're going to go from this to this. So let's get started. I will also link below where I purchased the headlights from. The first step is to gently remove this panel that's underneath the headlights. This panel is held on by plastic clips. Next, you will remove 3 screws that hold the headlight in place. We also took a picture of the back of the headlight just so we know where all of the cords line up on the new one. We did take the extra step of using some tape and numbering the cords. This is not necessary, but we just wanted to be sure that we'd be able to put the cords back in the correct place. Now it's time to unhook all of those cords, and you will have to use a slight force with some of them. The new headlights are LED and the old ones are halogen. So here we are adding the conversion line into the fuse box. Now we will add dielectric grease. Now we are ready to reinstall the new headlights. Secure it back into place with the 3 screws. And now we can put that small panel back on there and secure it with the plastic clips. Let's work on the other side. With this particular headlight, you can have the lights turned on with that accent of going from the inside out, or you can just have it as an original on and off. You can pick which one you would like in the installation process. Now here is the after. We also took this time to go ahead and clean, wipe down, and spray one of our favorite products, the New Bike in a Can, to really shine it up and clean it under the hood. Wow, look at this, the before and the after. We wanted to test it out at night, so here you go. Found this video helpful? Please subscribe and hit that like button.